Hi everyone, and welcome back to a rainy Amsterdam. Today we're talking about something a little different. So no refit, no boat work, no fiberglass and no varnishing. Today is about someone very important to us. Someone who wherever we go gets more questions than anything else. We're going to be talking about the one and only Captain Gastone. And this is just the beginning. So if you have more questions, please leave them on the comment down below. We'd like to hear from you. And if you haven't hit subscribe, join us and follow along for the ride, so you can discover more about how we live on a boat with a cat.
Hi everyone, we're Anna&Fil and say hello to Captain Gastone, our fluffy cat. We love traveling, and after a life as everyday city dwellers, we decided to change our lifestyle and bought a sailboat to become liveaboard and keep on traveling. Follow along as we combine work and adventures aboard our Malö 42 Good Girl.
And if you fall in love with Gastone as much as we have, you can buy him a treat over on our account on Patreon. There, we have a dedicated tier where you can get exclusive Gastone content and updates. Link in bio. He will be very grateful, of course, when he's not napping.
Gastone was born in Moscow on the 20th of September 2017. His mother is 100% pure Bengal. His father, well, let's just say his father was the neighbor. From the very beginning, Gastone was incredibly active, deeply attached to us, and just like his Bengal side, he never really had a problem with water. Looking back now, that should have told us everything we needed to know. Right before his first birthday, we decided it was time to take him out into the world, to socialize, to explore, and to meet other cats and humans. And honestly, he absolutely loved it, like he had been waiting for it all along. And that was the moment we looked at each other and just knew this cat is coming everywhere with us. So comes 2019, big move. We are packing our entire life in Moscow and we are moving to Amsterdam, driving 2,500 kilometers, 5 countries, a stack of paperwork and a few vet visits in between. The moment we arrived, he did a full inspection of the new apartment, decided it was all good and promptly proclaimed himself king of the house. And somewhere between the naps and the play session, we got to work on some very important trainings. First, and this is my personal favorite, we taught him to tolerate the vacuum cleaner. Well, somebody has to deal with the first situation. Then there was the working from home assistant role he took very seriously, always on the keyboard, always in a meeting, always helping. And then of course, the ninja fighting techniques. We won't say too much about it just now, but know that Gastone is trained and very dangerous. You won't see him coming. But it wasn't all chaos. We also made sure he grew up kind, gentle and loving, especially for some reason with bearded men. If you have a beard, Gastone will find you. So, you've been warned. But Amsterdam was just the beginning. It was time to pack our bags again, and between trains, cars and planes, we took Gastone on tour across Europe. New cities, new smells, new adventures around every corner. And he took it all in his stride, every single time. New place? Give him 10 minutes, and he will own it. This is just Gastone. And then came Croatia. We spent a considerable amount of time in this country, and this place holds a very special chapter in Gastone's story. He was absolutely free, learning new surroundings, meeting new friends, both humans and furry, and plenty of adventures to keep him busy every single day. It was also here that Gastone unlocked what I can only describe as a superpower, the ability to fall asleep absolutely anywhere. Floor, chair, suitcase, windowsills, even your face. Anna is without question his favorite sleeping buddy, though occasionally I'm allowed to share the pillow with him. And then came the biggest chapter of all. June 2025, we moved on board Good Girl, our sailboat, full-time, all 3 of us. Well, Gastone felt right at home and spent his first few afternoons doing what any serious captain would do. He slept, deeply and with great commitment. But come evening, he came alive. Playtime, cuddles, dinner, and then the real work began. Because Gastone did not just move onto our sailboat, Gastone moved onto our entire pontoon. Every single boat checked. The marina surroundings checked. The showers? Checked. Every sailor and every dog? Checked as well. He even took up hunting in the trees along the marina, and we got a few presents from him. But what if he falls in the water? Well, it already happened, and it is only our guess, as no one saw him. He managed to grab and climb some of the low-hanging docking lines and came out of the water. So the trainings paid off. But honestly, looking back now, we are pretty sure that was always part of the plan.